upes makani ya me ohinini ama kranchara zo so for mami premeni yenye brena feka sebonu chechi mu no wankasa yemfa emamu. President Awojine Mudima College of Education Teachers Association no Prince Obeheme and the worker says Prenkofune GTC any NLC vote futuro edigu Ghana fweni edi entinu omo kasa wote be na watwe mienu ani no dia ba betu dwa se Ghana ban yetua Ghana sikafre wo PPP baako echiripadu no nkron say book and research allowance 2022-2023 academic year na sansem no enye no kore enunti enra of friends and jofo nhyiamu wo Wesco o se de etoso mienu wo science o ka kire principals awodo ye wo won ma affiliate ni se wo mo ba be ye quiz any exams bia se de kire se a kire wo mo so wo mo nkire wo mo ba be ye na no no ra prince obi me se etieti amra etisasem no obi anso te a wo mo ntumu wo de voto de ama student any principals awodo sense ye ya kekan obi bia da wo bedi so obie na nam wo mo mra kwa so no ene Ghana mra Prince Obeheme.
Now this is what will interest the media. This penultimate thematic point where we are going to look at twisting of information by GTEC, PENCOF and the NLC. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, we want to draw the attention of the public to the series of misinformation put out there in the public domain by GTEC and the NLC in the past weeks. The first of such misinformation was put across by GTEC 2 weeks ago, that government had paid to CETAC members an amount of 199 million Ghana cedis as arrears for book and research allowance for 2022-2023 academic year. The fact is that as we speak today, 22nd July 2024, government has not paid any member of CETAC any such money. And the media is here, you can verify. My good self, the president, up to the last person who was recruited yesterday, nobody has been paid any such money. So we want such information to be treated with the contempt that it deserves. The second information being peddled by some principals of colleges of education to students is that the affiliate universities shall conduct quizzes and examinations for the students, whether the students are taught by the lecturers or not. This information cannot be completely true because per the attendance policy of all the affiliate universities, a student cannot take an examination if he or she forfeits lectures or classes for more than 21 days. And as we speak now, we've been out of contact with the students for this number of days. So where have they been attending lectures?
Ora Prince Obehema and Yatsene Kano. Right Honorable Aban Skinfo Sumano Babin. One of them Rasebe the future me Enra Dr. Kwekwe Free, your SSU so, and Rasebe Jania permanent nephew Rasebe the film Sepapay, Wayani among Simbi, Naning Nada and say, Papa Bambabin the Betu Fian and himself, Mammy Sophia Rosetta, Bensaku Esa, any Rajas from Pong, or Ponya Omoye, Judges, no, Yapejo Muposum to Omoko Supreme Court in Tian Nani, and Fama, Bayer Committee, no more church, one more asem, said Yabaya, bet to me Akoswo. Nasasemi and Aboba Baye said Papa Babin or Casaman.
The matter is in the bosom of the House, and the procedure is very clear. So when they report to the House, we will all look at this issue. But in giving you the information, I've given you an idea of the expectations of the people of Ghana. That is for you to consider as part of the report, and it's for the House to decide as to whether we will approve or disapprove those nominations. His Excellency clearly stated that he is constitutionally injuncted to do what he has done. And so it's now for you to also look at. Eavesdropped. The senior member is saying a few things, but since he's not saying it into the mic, I won't be the one saying it.
Dr. Kwekwe Free kwa said there be Papa Bambabe. Yesi abwana no wa kwa soja high. Asem no awo kanenya wano. Enya one sesa wo kasa asem no na baba be say free ako. Umuade yakura.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, with all due respect to your chair, these preliminary remarks you are making are prejudicial, and I believe that as representing the good people of Serbia also, it doesn't lie in your mouth to remind us of the things that you said. Thank you.
a completely rude remark, and I can send you out of the house now. It lies in my authority to do so. You represent the good people of Sekiwiaso. I represent the whole country. Please, Marshal, take him out of the house. Marshal, take him out of the house. I will not entertain such disrespect. It lies in my mouth.
And and answer Omad Wajim Rashabejani on Moyan for Frank Aradon Premier Middle Yasi Papebi. Honest sorry, ya or Pachos and Ukraine, their course on the entry.
Speaker, we acknowledge the wisdom you have guided this house and how we have navigated as a house to this point. And I mean, we've had moments laced with tension. We've had some tense moments in this house. And in all that, Speaker, you've shown leadership. And it is incumbent upon us in leadership to help you guide the house. What happened a moment ago was unfortunate. And so we want to, on behalf of the entire caucus and my colleague, want to render an unqualified apology to you and your office, and we hope that this draw the curtains and let's bring matters to a close. Because we are very sorry and we apologize sincerely for what happened. So I say this on behalf of the member and also for the entire caucus. We are sorry.
Thank you so much, Majority Chief Whip.
We a minority chief, majority chief whip, and Yamiami crash here. On Moyan for Frank Aradon Premier Tenenka, so Wakasanona, and it is Yamanyokuo. Wamaimu nyina drake ho abomu ogwai ye no finfi mantemu se wonante asumdwe nante e dia se Professor John Evans Atamels and munyam nyame fa ne kransie ye akane agokansie so afo avise free yankra ko bi ononyam fo adrenilante vanda po dododio wonu so kopi afa ye maame Abigail Mensa deputy human organizer anyone my anodu dumu wo nyina akobode mu ananya sam ketwa kra na no na maame Abigail Mensa e kasa watch the Ghana Mebunu and form Shabrench woman some Nedru say it to about woman to Obama and DC no ma brabomo and sasa.
We are ready for the battle ahead. Now, yes,
we ya mame Abigail Mensa na eye uba kumasi so for chrome de wojina mo pray ani disi se mrahye bedwani yanto aba enso ema no eye owura eno so owura Henry Osakoto wonu su kobi ya wonu so ede kakraka ho sada na Central Regional Acting Chairman ekopanyin wonu so ekasa ya na sem nyina no kan se Inspector General of Prosi ye papa dampare wo momoden so obema bambo mu ayre pampe wo bra ye kwakoto abano na Kofi Atamese ya wonu ye papa Evans Atamese ba wonu so de ne ho aba be nya mu a ene ese wonu so amanyosem ni nani je ho wonu so fa kwanya ne so kasa na kwakwa ni do hodie me huna sie ni do ankobi
the John Evans Atamels peace work. That's a peace. And I assume they are. And I young Professor John Evans Atamels. I young Papa for Central Region Adi. When I see in your numbers, this election I am conservative assembly. The Paka will be a assume to it. They are looking to happen. What is most important here there? Majority of the people going to vote this election is the youth. We are urging all the youth here today to come out to your numbers because 24-hour economy is benefiting as the youth. Into your community to Abba and to Jamal Mahama. Now your proposal is a commercial. I want to tell you,
we a Kofi Samuel Atamels and yet in canon. Wara kwan se ene emrashe bedwafie mu enya sam ketokra Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam odi media budget no ebakoto Ghana for enim na semi deputy majority leader ya mame Patricia PJ enenra wote ho kakra de emrashe bedwafie num na be ensem ebefa ya mefo ho ekwan ya yefa so ne kakra ensaka ene de yewe kwanse beba ne Ghana for de yenhwe nimu na bebo wura mu asante mantem aso me magazine ye ba me ne ye papa no a womudi eye ka ho na nkasa ho dwa wo me ne Sompa nsentwofo atwetwe nkoma a wo mu kirem se import route no wo mo sra ban se budget e be pie mu no ma ye bibia fa ho sanse wo mu ko mu bu
yes the because be bia no bo no mo de media review budget no mo ye no e bro for kasa no mo ka kire keke ye huru bibia e wo so because ye hwe and bibia dollar enenam ene adwuma na ye na and as a and your boy, drama, so get it. She called for me soon. Yeah, and I'm working before. Yeah, never be a person now. And I'm not to avoid the what they can't be traffic. Not show petrol to use another day. Benefit by another Wabe Brana and the bread. And me would say Abano, shut a beer no one. No, maybe I remember your no I am for Casa. I don't pass near no yasu ati man me nya bisre na ye debate ho keke
say na go media e na ban ni $2 say the billions crowd buy okrofobia omo togo omo sabotage government no they say aduma ya yi obekọ they say the people is aba but obekọ say obese twetwe sky dey e wo chiransa na no ma aba e no ma so pray ba na aba what me ya free port ya hwe pipa bibia kama they say okrofobia kwa task force
ye free anumu na yako enkawe mensinimu ya enoso ewo atwema emponua asante mantemu kwa ibrentuo bi o Jimera Forest wache ni pedru miensa wo hyemu a wodi gala na akwaya wura wo sem papa na atia ye kire wo no chese ne nyame abo akora emyede wo makwa akogina mu court myede romande ehoma so de agu wo metri so Forest Service Division Ora Ibrahim Esel wono na de asemi to nsentwefo anim se adehye no wo no a ena bo ayema chire safoi se wo mo transe nyanhwa ha obebo won kwa ibrentuo eho ban na dache nkirima so amese ejawajo
e won kono de ya sase a ye kwa frame resantia e ba ha nanso ni paboni fo no nyama adwin se on beja nti ensoso no enya ya adwin se yesoso ye be ma ho asem na koda enokre achi nipa bi a mo fa akoti kwa sukura ye kwa ye bi e fe no Jimera Forest Reserve na mukoshe okoye galamsi na de hard bin kakra wo sabia no say company bia omode sika be hye duam from Two Eyes Plantations omono age nsase ne bi wo hono a Money Forestry Commission aka boom public private partnership
eno atwe na concession manager Adema Plantation ewo Jimera Forest extension ni mu ankawe Ora Benjamin Jedu wono so de bi eka ho azuka no aka no ho me pa chao yenko yanimwe na yakwa yanimu dia management Ghana Water Company Limited asante mantemu edi nsembia ba betudwa a wo kiremu se droban kase na mbreman ahemfo edi nsuo de bre adehye no wo ba be yensesie bi ewo ho wo se July abosome ne da na toso edumienu ene ho aka tese otumi gina mu no yensesie eda wo kina na we nu betumi akofo ha kakra de ama adehye a wo sa droban kase ya number kase edi nsuo bre wo no no enu nti na ase ebomu emu wote wote eye swame tafo pankrono asokwa bantama sokoban kononom barikase menhia ofori krom kwada so atasma so kochi edum KUST odium asokore mampon ene ni nkrotu a momo mode asa mo bepengaro akase na nei matwi nsuo ni ankore ne niema ede atata hopa sanse wo kina da wo je ahode no de afirimu nsem wo se we nya boapaye wo de yensiesie wo hawo bi ede aba mo mfanche wo wie ya obesen jai nsuo no mu ahode no ede amamo asante mantamu de okasa de ma nsuo adwumakuo no Ora Ebeneza Padina one Sompa nsentwefo ena twetwenkom
na watching a muno and yet the better abontin say your drawbank kɛseɛ a ɛda ɛyɛ brɛman ahemfo no ho atokyima kakra ɛna engineers edi mmirika kɔɔ hɔ wohwɛ a yɛ oyɛ dede bi a yɛka sɛ nsupa ɛna ɛma nkwanti no na wɔ sɛ nimanim a netumi so so ano na yɛde nsuo ɛba kurom engineers ɛpɛ temporal measures ɛde sɔ ɛyɛ saa pipe ne ɛho paayɛ no obi ka yɛ wokɔ w'anim na wɔ sɛ wonhwɛ sɛ wɔmfidie ɛne obi bi a wode yɛ adwuma no ɛho ɛgyina ɛma na ɛsɛ fata sɛ yɛsan bɔ yɛ customers ɛyɛ a ɔmo ho hia yɛ paa yi bibi sei ɛna Ghana wɔta yɛ nti yɛbɛkyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo mmu nsuo ne bi nsi hɔ sɛnea Wednesday no yɛ kɔ a ɛmfɔ how pm ɔmo na sɛnea obisaa yɛ no yɛhwɛ anim sɛ ɛyɛ Wednesday ɛne yɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛyɛ Wednesday anɔpapaa na onyame ɛbɛma ne nhyira ebu yɛ so a ɛnkwankɔpem Wednesday n'animwie no sɛ bibibia ambɛbom anyinam kane asɛm ɛne bibi foforɔ bi amɛka ho a ɛyɛ Wednesday n'animwie no yɛde bibia ɛbɛba na yie yɛ
we yore Ebenezer Padina ya wono ene kasama ensu adwumako asante emansemu o my Ghana enyine nim say December bosom de tosonson besode anopetututu asara akoto abako imra chebedwafo ene mampanyini enam so emonmunyamfo Eric nanaje my prempe ya wagina mu April mra chebedwakonwa ewa hafoano north no aye director general de manadmo wakasa se hu behia sempa bonso beye adwuma nananu muzremifo bi ya wonya akwanya na wako hajj wabae no obo dwatrada enode asemu itu dwa wo mdwumedie no asem eye Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia enso ni nani swade hu so ose atumi aboa na o masere mpa body amone na adodan kwa kufuado na o manya hunu mu papa nso ede ayadwuma wo bra na municipal chief imam Alhaji Yusuf Asoma wokọ meka no bi na waba na no ena papa yi kasa no so oboai e ma ne mantem wonum so local imam simienu ena o mutumi ko maka ne bie ya wo maba ne nyina adwumadie no ase na omohobi na ageman
enade yeshe dobeboa ne ayede yato aba man yebeto aba eyemede Alhaji na obo mpa ye twato no oka Ghana to aso miensa o se Ghana echese ye mompa ye ma Ghana na mese ye hia ha nyina party de obia wo do pe enso Ghana ye ba ko pe sa sumdua ma Ghana yenyina yentimentra ho sa sumdue ni wa nya ne senkete ha ya ni adi iti Ghana hia che NDC Ghana hia che MPP
eno achwe wasanso ekasa biem ese ohawni amane bebreye nipa bi fam wo bra wakomeka no we nyina kọ ede aba asumdwemu a boni bi ansie na dwumadie no ase doctor nana edu say atwene wampema odi kan yo yete pamahene na ono so obi ononyamfo prince amwa ya wono so edoma MC na wo nyina e wo obi ene NPP party echitafo
obi komeka ba odi nhira kese pa na eba na ye wa hai Emi ye Kristo ni me gidi se be sofwa o wa sorry dem a wo pompa ye mame a wo di mani ma ye ya sorry se nyame di nhira bebre mana e bi kame nti enne nhira imam okode wo meka no enye ono nko ana aka no aka nipa e wo zongo ha ene municipality nyina enno ena mama ni eje na mitusa na moy esanse utie MC na obobo nipa o makomeka aba na emrantie wom emabawa o empeyinfo wom na o makomeka aba na sofu na odi anim no imam na odi anim ono nko meka ade na ye enu nti me ye madwe se ekwan bi a mefa so na de odi anim no o makomeka aba no meye
OCP Ghana and the OCP fertilizer diabra na nanu makuafo a odi atoso de o se we yakwanya betimi aboa wo uto bi aguso na eso do sonso no wate ni konomu aton wanya bi so de ahwata so e de ahwo ma ene wabusua ba bi eton fertilizer bi a OCP ubetimi agibi se utuo se ne ba akodi akodi udwuma ahoma ne 0325 909 437 sada ena 21st clinic se wo frefre Ghana di nyina 15 branches across Ghana and cry odomi market echi oboase council quarters e won yebutu mase ye wa overseas ye be Alpha radio e won ma ene wo enkransa hinda dabro nsan mu techiman GN bank e dan dada no mu e na yedi ye juma to asinti twetwo na ajo wanyi no hye ne so say the European tour no so e bramont be bia wo Europe abochimem e number no na edwaguo no betimi ayo bookings no aba be chow kama sada na 5G enso ni mizo ene ye de edi adwuma se wo ye wo to pon wo gya wade ebi wase a ebo apa 3 eco capsules betu ayam team ene usisi yade ene ukoko amane manyina adamu tsoten asante ye bo Benedict oneni samufo beni anope osone kasebo iso ede ma me na me betrasigu ho ase usudi ma de hia muji bi ekuku avre ka ofedu agando wono ene trafidie na chi masafo kantanka ene Shadrack bo adwuma MCR ho ede ma mo ohinini ama kranchada zo of mami premier ni me no space makani anope mi sorry dear yewra o man ya wedu ache betrasa me wiase nyina achi mama chi biem
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eyayare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baabi a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540-311-311. That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otwe di musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwanto ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na se visiting so a Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more mature for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
Brad, and not to him.
Not tell me about the see about Queen Wayne and say,
Brad, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy me fear for any idea about ever so.
Really, do this offending now.
Brad, so make us a the time about Mr. Huadansia. We are singing now about Temenka. And to some malaria, where do any time about Mr.
And you go, dear, no matter I want to meet any deal. Where do any time about Mr. A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shassa Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm one who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answered.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be than Ziva a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA Aji a judging cratoi at home.
To be sure, the near for Yadi Nabrena or Ma Dimpa Natural Health Clinic, Kumasi James Wa. Maon Kase for Yadi any IRSA. So, what the peptic, gastric, duodenal ulcer, acid reflux, GERD, ana H pylori hwehwɛ Dimpa Natural Health Clinic a yɛwɔ Kumasi di kyɛm so yɛn na yɛ specialize ɛwɔ yɛfuyade ehwe mu ɛno nti na yɛnya abasobɔde as the best center for the treatment of stomach ulcer cases yɛwɔ a variety of products both foreign and local herbs sɛ oyɛfuyade no ama oyam na tutu ana oboa no ana ama okoko na ɛyere tan ama otie oya dendendenden obi wɔ hɔ a ne deɛ no asi n'akyi te sɛ deɛ obi a wanya accident anaasɛ biribi akɔ so wɔ n'akyi yɛhwɛ all chronic cases hwehwɛ Dimpa Natural Health Clinic yɛwɔ di kyɛm so Kumasi Dimpa Natural Health Clinic Dimpa ɛyɛ ahonya.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Mema wakwaba eba Abe Herbal Clinic ope ayarsabia emprempren nipa dodo na do nani akyerem wo ho na wonya wayaresa na wonmo etiapa na eye Abe Herbal Clinic yade ahodo a Abe Herbal Clinic edi hu dwuma eye sickle cell epilepsy etwere yade ulcer yemkro typhoid koko oba ene bema opa wo sexual weakness oba na bema wayemre ewo mpam oberima ne bema afon anase ayaketwa fibroid pressure stroke ene STD yade ahodo na eye enisuo ene de yahunhum nyina wo de bedom Abe Herbal Clinic a wonmo ebedi dwuma asa yade ama ho ato eba abefo kwan so a yefa so esa yade ahodo a ni nyina so ye bi ewo Abe Herbal Clinic wo hwehwe Abe Herbal Clinic akira kwan a yewo kano so apatrapa new site ewo Kumasi wo betumi so afre ahomatrofo 0243 345 392
ye huhumu ene obi de yade ato abrabo so amesebra Abe Herbal Clinic ebeboa Abeba Matsia Kanso.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority. Because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Z Natural Mineral Water.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hian yipa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne nhaban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye Precare Natural Powder CC nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie
obenya Precare Natural Powder to King's Walk Herbal Nana Boache Herbal ne Rapas Herbal Accra Little George Waterma Community 5 PFA Pharmacy Kolinak Herbal Freddy Mains Kumasi Benyak Pharmacy Nimdie Herbal Takrade
Mose Pharmacy ni Green Light Pharmacy Sunyane Cash and Carry Supermarket
Becky Frank
Techiman
Alaji Kumbila Tamale Sewa Herbal Asante Mampong Gapsin Pharmacy Koforidua
Etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14
Precare Natural Powder
aduane san ye dro FD ahwehwe sankratoe mu agiatum
24. Yamawachimu Akwaba Eba Adiache Biajumede was Sompa 93.1. My name is Omani Yodubachi. I've always been your man in the morning. Many of you sa Oba Patia. We don't for now to say. And I'll pay the jacket is jacketing. The jacket is jacketing. Of course. Now, September, how the money just a mood journey. The colors is color. Maybe it is you. September, Muhonomo. Aye, September, Muhonomo.
As on Pango, my out. Aye, outdoor programs.
And then this a mood journey.
You be fresh your band. You market.
And Jebia or Baba Antman and also Koba. You know what's up. Who try to hold back a crowd of who say the jackets are jacketing. Hey, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, so Obama Ghana for mobile phones on credit basis. Now I have to say, Ghana phone in that I was so much me enya data digital. Now and this one you know at me abem and to a Ghana ni na uni phone. The bayan say the government not buying will give you mobile phone and now utia 1 city, 2 city, 3 city, 3 city ubetia wie and tonight said there be a yam yeah digital near my won't to me ye and I mean mini phone I mean side many bino. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say ebeye and nika say mobile phones digital mobile phones Android phones yeah never my Ghana for hey okay I don't know the honomo. You're a Sumani, Kingsford Babin Rabu Fuom, Wakasa, and Dr. Free, one also so, no copaye. Oh, sorry, Mr. Speaker, it does not lie in your mouth. You are being rude. And I say, I have the power to get you off. A hundred man were afraid, you was ready near a woman, I said, fee. So, when you didn't feel him, as I grow, yet interaction, of course,
report to the House. We will all look. The matter is in the bosom of the House, and the procedure is very clear. So when they report to the House, we will all look at this issue. But in giving you the information, I've given you an idea of the expectations of the people of Ghana. That is for you to consider as part of the report, and for the House to decide as to whether.
Mr. Speaker, with all due respect to your chair, these preliminary remarks you are making are prejudicial, and I believe that as representing the good people of Serbia also, it doesn't lie in your mouth to remind us of the things that you said. Thank you.
This is a completely rude remark, and I can send you out of the House now. It lies in my authority to do so. You represent the good people of Serbia, so I represent the whole country. Please, Marshal, take him out of the House. Marshal, take him out of the House. I will not entertain such disrespect. It lies in my mouth.
Okay. Edi asem na akofa we nyina aba. Afro barometer report ini hon report ne niema no. Na yewra free say Babin kasa all kan eye prejudicial. O kasa prejudicial che say wodi kan kra bu asem no. Enti no o kasa o mo ba be discuss ya. Na che say asa wabu atan awie na mo say yensa wasi gina ya awie e na ye medwene ho. Yewra Babin amfa no ahogono sukra. Ofi say kasa na branch any kind or say you rude. Now no to me so betima pamono. And then you sue the cratchy powers a pamono. Papa is so a penny or no so ben baby in few crowd. And so a jar or timono. A man to me also not representing Ghana in there. Who says you also from Kwana represent you. And our baby Casa Tremesa. Pierre. Na Pierre and not to force us to appear. What would Pierre call him? How many deputy education minister shy our laptop on some? How much less or much your music? I do almost 500 and 600. So, yeah, more laptop. A best in there. Omogosia, my abandoned to me, Kashi. The professor Kinslinyako, deputy education minister, Kushia Womo. I feel woman didn't come and some of the canon Yomahino, sorry, you're not. Pa, also for some co. Woman walk out of the meeting. And then you mean him say minister name Mubekodia. said deputy Nekoye. Antentam. Where Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or Kachle Ghana for say, Obamae Ghana Nibia Benya a phone. Yentieno.
We will make access to mobile phones affordable. And the mobile companies, no, you're ready to catch a home. Now, the mobile phones, no, I'm a nipa, that mafia, what we are, 1 city, 2 city, 1 city, 2 city, Kakaka, Nawatia, mobile phone before 80, scheme, no, every Ubia, because we need everybody to have a smart device. We will make it easy for people.
Okay. Why
Brian.
Mami Chill, you feel the happenings in the country now. You're a baby and I'm on Chui. You're a lawyer for Betchun Como.
No, Chris.
And some papa and kind, you rude now. Or no, say you're a baby was rather being rude. It was being prejudicial to the commenter. Or the reporter about to also on this case. Or say this is the mind of Ghanaians. Into all kind of margin on any casa and koi and on so sorry casa ya akofa we have mama chill.
Yo, say asemwa papa na kan no papa bamba bin say entwe ba mranim fo nso chirim say ne kwan ya no no say de okan no na asem bia ne bre aye ka no owie ne kra no anodom pre ejina Kokos na name pacho, but Matisse Dr. Free say on sumo be a some pacho man. Intina so to me so no so sinable say on near Radibe Casa. And I bamba being so I na dream so no so tracunim. To a mamma friend me for. Me I mean ya do amemo to me who be that. See a pamo ubi Mashabija Chiami a pamo be a free Mashabija Fimusa. And sent history, young Toronto na dachi. Yede akasem omumi enu ni nyina no papa bamba be no de nipa bi kasen kai se ohunu se free no wanyini one ni fie kura bemben but aje obi a show ne krache power sinti eye ni nyina abo ama history no amu aba kwasem no yetimi twero ka ho se Ghana so ye ko yanim ye ka bi ma men ka bi num ne ene ma nyina masha no so ba ne so free so ankasa menko osori ko emraso
so kono ne kura obeso ni mu no se masa fansan ka
na na di animu anase wonu su bi
ai subi MP the subi MP na we see am say kono ba bembe
UG
na kono masha ne be yemburuta
ba pa omi asem a wo ka se obema mobile phone si
ayefo
no
amagana on credit basis
abrochire Diama abrochira ye de ubehu obi okra phone kakraka enye bibia on credit bosome ne atene bi kra ye ma contract ubetimi asade phone ne kra sa
akwaje mo no
asa akwaje foforo na sodi ebusa ne se yen ya bra boy Ghana hey ye betumi ya ye na ye dimra ne so
or it is possible with Ghana card
sa enye sa MTN besian
first na man for untia
ai bi muji
and now to me ngasa untia
me wa na boy bi frame me say me money besia na ne ma me yare ne number me nim no me de to so o se da bi ande me de ka MTN e do to so meti man first kana ma no o frame ya man fa na me say MTN do wa ntia me de dem de ma wa u betua kade na ba o mi ade ba no eno na ama brochira ye fo
ama brochira ye de
o person obi anya access to the internet na ye di sua de digitalization no na yensa musasa ye ma abuse no ana kaya maame nom ye be kire omumu maame wo ofie na bibi hawa ana electricity ne san yusuwei
na fato
ubetumi a kire wo maame a wo ofie ana se house help wo ofie ho wo phone ni bi light ne san na ufra juma maya obetumi yusufu no na wo de ato bi kura akola ne ho ayehye wako yi pharmacy platform no so wako pedro ye betumi kura che ne say symptoms ne te sen dabi fane ko nearest hospital ningi na ya de be ma brabo ni ma haye na bra ye attitude no na said ye wo kasa with Ghana card ni bia na we de Ghana card wonu tumi fe nwane na nya sa pa Ghana fo ye nimu ye ne de obeji age ha
ya kronfo
ebinom wobeji age ya ntua na ko fa nsem bebre na de aba na de ama brochira ye da obi ade me kwa brochira
now say o sister wa brochira to me tough phone na expensive bro wako free
bi o de 1 year kra na betu
ene betua ye tete no kakra
brochira credit system yes you have cash money na hand back na ground
eno na ma ye ho kire ye no
ai se bi ya di siketo
amano ne obetima ko hu obi flat screen TV the LED and the Q1 LEQ as a one yi ebua 80 inches na bone dem ontu a 1 cedi
there be
but so be a be 50 pound 20 pound ya the sabi a 2 years on the tier oh yeah na koye cash system eti sika won sem a atade pakra ntimi ntobi she utimi ba go am for free
ba o mi onka bibi fo from so nka ho
apart from
here fun kwan Ghana baby e
just say they will can ma baby
onka ka bi ka ho
and I had so say ba me connect no I had e mabunu
okay
on say baby e sa ba me connect no
Banyamia
ni same ho de the campaign we there
December about to be interesting say domo edi ba o me achi we pass and reflected here any ke any na wiase hey because in ya wo bubu ni sremu ho a edu chese
no, but Ohini Made.
Ghana for
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia from 2008 has dwindled the fortunes of NDC in the north. NDC knows this. NDC himself. Bawumia ebeshasiye ebaye. She 2008 Koshe Northern Region. Now NPP could have just about 4 seats or so. NDC had almost 14. And then and
I say what fuck campaign work up. Now ba could be nsuo to ba o mi
I just want find a world cup.
Hey,
on him say economy ne eba economy nsemo a enema nyina ne naso yi. Enti what de na ni so ade hunu no ewura maburu no mu.
Am o matenase.
E maburu no hu no. Ene ne connect I can tell you for a fact. More than your mama and Mabru na interactive. Also the interaction of both flag bearers are Bawumia and meeting Mabru no more with that connect no. Your mama is doing a nationwide campaign meeting everybody.
Yeah.
But all the opasha say apart from Bawumia she obiano what targeting Mabru no papa. Na poswa targeting Mabru no papa because first time voters no. We are looking almost about 2 million.
Almost
on the mission. Almost catch almost say your mama baby obedi ade 2016. Why you say ya no money ho.
On the
kro. Okay, do such then I what wasem but en cannot send ye oh who niema we enti technology now udi run mu udi bring ani so no obeto obama wa agina no so obeto obama agina free SHS a wetima convince no say eno na asesa na brabo young generation bebre they are not going to vote on economy I'm telling you but empanimfo na ewo no dodo na so beto abagina economy ni hu niema say enye Ukraine Russia war no omeji atum omeji COVID atum and they to say these are the very things that are matured. The middle class will vote. But Mabruno to do no bejina. Bawumia sema oki kane John Mahama so 24 hour me bre juma bre mo ne sa ne ma no. E no bejina so ato aba. Asante ebo akwaba. Mami ntiu.
Ama me gidi say ye mo ye kan say Bawumia kan fa za credit card system no ya dia. Enye se mobile phone to sebe etonko a. Madam for be no Ghana no journalist no call US. Or just say when you scholarship will new so to $10,000. Yeah, man, for fiscal cash bianco. School no man, scholarship 10,000 school to a cramano. Emma kakra kaya no. Where you kakra kasa. I'm almost say afraid about kubikaya. I say a car base 5,000 on for base 20 years. We share $50 every month. Virtually say yeah, they are channel.
Yeah, they are chow.
Oh, and tinye sabi mobile phone nko a how man for hand dan ya ji physical cash zim no go to 72 million 80 million for 2 years
72 million
obi o singing room ni chamber ho nko bio and this are and maybe o ha ho a hit public no answer you to so direct ayenya anu ya ebe boye
obi ko ha dan na wo say
won twa 8,000
or the Ghana card in tina ban wo so na say o ka say asenso wo works and housing now mu introduce bibisa
no omo ka senka omba ye na nka uko ha dan aban so
aban wa we aban
no kura nie on say oman aban adwuma ye for there this policies is workable with them because at least omo there apart from Ghana card from source from controller
but the only adwuma aban no ono so
enye the only adwuma person wo mo private work ni mpo no
omo so
migration o adwuma kwa house and man so who treating na obre and the BBC say it can be piloted on the grounds of this public
workers
ebetimi aboa empo make say mortgage abrochire nya no na man for adimi to
any 20 years
if say me to chamber hall 2 bedroom 3 bedroom why say mimi nko to plot na me nko branko to cement
ultimate simple
ade ndinka
for die
akamure flat e bia 3 bedroom e bia 150,000 1 billion okay fanfie dutia mi mentiment ya me baby na bi mo fa asi bi ta
ba betua na be ya busia ne dia oh
so eno na how man because who is kakra na hu say who future na dachi unya adwuma betima tutu ne ma wo ya o man adwin bebrebe wa say na no ya Ghana statistical service for money research was Ghana for 13% sabi o mo adwene enkoyi
because ahokyere
the situation
and your friend kokodena oda wona
nkadibi wonka so simple as nka system take kick off na nka boa na nka jawa dwendwen because sabi ensuo ada na ko handan ya aban wanye light bill 5 years wanye water bill 5 years na eda na akwa kwatam de oje obi a 3 years na otua ne dim wodi hu sika nyina betua na after 2 years nso wasa prapra hu sika nyina sa
now asante are who say 2 years no obu akoji loan 2 years ne be so no na ontua loan ni nwie nti o so sa akoji top up enti obi ho no ma ho e dan kanko ano 6 years or the cabe 300 million
where da akutia
the lakatia no so no say edwuma na ka say otete no a ahia wonya one seeding coffee.
So these are some of the things I was say
these are the issues say what's up buy no tackle
aban no yes say nka omo ma efewura for no nye emro more than 3 months
mfa
sade na hu de kosi ba o man ade ba ko so
ono na see the fie o so nya de a o
fama e na de ba o man woni Ghana ni na edile ukoje 3 months wie na obetim fie wo
ontua
na fie 3 months na so na fie fasika bra
and next week with the mema and I'm 3 months oya kro obi kra timi no ba twede
entino
and nti gauta ganama me no mo ya adwene
enu nti na ma we aba no ba o man babe ni min papa doctor Osofie kokwe fie me wan sebe mpanimfo mienu no sade wotimi firi mu because on say asam omo sha asaka na babe mbu fie na Dr. Usef Gogofri mi hu se ne bu afuda o one of the humble and
na ne kasa na yabufu
debio nye kasa ne nyabupa west na o twisu no
say bia babe you rude no
babe na use that rude man
no he said babin is also being rude
I say babin yet prejudicial be sanemti babin as
it does not lie in his mouth
views anema na babin but me say Another prayer did very good job yesterday. Me bunu no ebisa be ka ho biem because as a leader and for that matter majority caucus o jinemu kwara papa ne ka say wono no one man say o kopa choma no wo say any die I say the ma speaker of the house enti enu ende ade a
now don't you think on Babin's side there was a little headedness
was it on Babin's side?
He went too far.
Oh, for me,
he went overboard.
And then we can even ask that you should retract your statement. Also, better I say, retract your statement. So why retract it?
There no be able to show a level of insolence.
So,
but say I also have power. What's the chairman Sani Babin baby? If you are, I'm number 3, I'm number 1. Why? Say we are member of parliament. I am the 3rd in Ghana. I said that show of power. Show of power. No so real above in team kakra. Because I don't see why. I mean this man, Koko Free doctor. Onya kwada. Oni nenya banta. Was say utimi kase pieko. Pamone free the floor of parliament.
Babin West back on say was wo ye MP was a she.
Me represent Ghana nyina. Well, and see, I have the power. To me be our but you don't exercise it. Of course. I mean, for me, he acted his power with capriciously. Because he went too far.
Honorable every year, because in most cases, both
he went overboard.
Both caucus say, retract and I say apologize.
And so why do you sack him?
First of all, giving that leeway
retract that statement and the comment.
Why retract?
So can't retract. So
for me, it was on my parliament, you know. Yente no ho asembia gigigise
no contact kasa parliament
o ye minister no na the environment ne science innovations animal kasa so you calling for ceiling for the Supreme Court and no kasa as a baben ye prejudicial
na say na do appointing nipa mienu
to na say tokunu de animo the count na say hu say no say obeja to won but two ni
na say tokunu so o man nipa no so per say 5
two say professor bi unu say professor bi
our man 2
me meeting no opokore ni
but obi send me message say rent assistance scheme still works and not only for government workers but all. I have watched plumbers and carpenters applied and have testified.
Really?
Somebody sent me a message right away. Or say, "Oh my, rent assistance scheme no chuma."
MPP phone
government workers, any private, no plumbers, any carpenters, be brain or who are apply. I find a tia sasika na ma. You see, I said so long cheese. I didn't know with me. Oh, but I know me say over launch you. Okay, say I send so works and housing. They launched it. I had an interview with him here. He explained thoroughly. And near my go home. And Obia send a message. He said, I said rent assistance scheme. Me Kaipa, that was the name. Or say it still works. Now the plumbers the carpenter for any government workers or my plier you find a juma you didn't cook for you I buy a copper diet tiamana
secretariat
that is the issue.
Is it under rent control?
Acquired to sell
and before the
I don't know we back
you know problem come I sound a toa no more can one send back we are just say a toa ban or because a juma idea was a minor benefit no on kaba coupe normal lunch we are bibi to say Ghana Enterprise a authority can a Yankee lady be done on Kosi Yankee on a COVID cancer mo program yo mo ye o ma to the you starty what you want some say o mo don chi wie ya ba me launch wie ni adena na da eti akwaya to say onye na unim yeah oh Ghana for bebre no not all of us and I hate so in tune with radio all the time but dodo na obode ro no you start e was some man a year long advert a year long a promotion every day akwara no sorry now what you start say your politician be never better radio so no can say oh abana say you start as here nothing. Omo PR unit secretariat is nil. Shadia we Western housing. Kojo Ponkroma buy so abeto. Da ben what is all kan wasem. Eh adansi nkwa. Ba you obi na betima beto dan ni bi. Hwe na say na watch na nado kwa kobie police
for 320
flats. Ohini 300 e won crime. Adiama police for 320 flats. 2 bedroom 320 the ama police for omo adwene so MCO Ashanti region ko mu sibio
Ashanti region no ba ko police office depo na chi
omo sio enche bia omo ba bia no and so they will not tell anybody you may answer bia no wi ano makoda omo ye communicators no the omo ye answer omo NDC for eco free SHS the ye answer omo ko a contract when they buy But the Timemufoni here pana on my word you mon bebo de runo. Until recently, Nanado baby for me na. Okobie kumewu. You only pa bebre omundim se kumewu krano. Almost see hospital. And this is just here. 6 brand new hospitals. I was Santa Region had a man and now don't start here from scratch. Me say there 6. Mami mubo dinchro. And so they will come and sit here. O catch up and be cross or mobo. And then you cry now to me. Achuma West District Hospital. Achuma West. Omesi.
Achuma West.
Yes. Achiasi District Hospital. Also Ubisa. Pong Hospital and Crying. New Jabin. North Municipal Hospital. Sabronum Government Hospital. Swami Municipal Hospital. Pharmacy Administration. Omaye Nina Chedia Government Hospital. Achuma West District Hospital.
Achuma West in your Mamunchim. Ni Achuma West District. Ashanti.
Very good. But this is what it is there. All the Achuma.
Ekuna was supporting.
What this is what I have. These are the hospitals. Everything probably maybe yes, because you're near Achuma West. So who are we now? Yet
you're not telling anybody. We don't know what's going to happen.
And you know, so because I will buy on your share, I will say. Mon kasa no over 2 foot ago that one on our cocoa chinning come back to
my sir they now come for a down there. The last time I check, almost so much me provided support for about 30,000 people.
Yes.
On my plan. That's the last time.
Ghana from Kwala omo wie school what to me awie ni school one year juma. The major problem here dying enti mrantie wo Ghana ye ware 35 years ago en kokra man kwa na ye wo mo
enti obenyini no on say
Ricardo bra say nyame anya wadom na wantimi abusuan so wasena mo anware uba ware at age 35
but
Ricardo boy say this Ricardo so anware
abrocha say
oh nice boy too who person we are obetima ba Ricardo to say
legend nyame adom ho ye
aso amikemboa
legend no kra
emrantie edanka onya adwuma no to ha dan 2 years hard man was started doing dino 1 year be champe na ne how na man dey nya me bre girlfriend se jano because you to know what is almost me mo hobby why is no see as you amplify and that a major issue enti you was buy no e man here the priority e mabru no crowd they are not making the mabru no so they are not demanding from government
then yes from 1975
sure 1975 I appreciate it oba tum se ya crop from na dey there share I don't wanna catch that one I appreciate it e japade me say and that type of thing
Nana dey say they want me.
Na dey are some
we a young boy now so pay decent apartment chamber hall self-contained. A man so be dwe.
Oh my dear.
Oh ni bio. Or that chamber or that 1 room so. Or person who kwaji 2 bedroom.
Oh my dear you say we ya oba tena wo si dan ma oba. Enje say won hand down ma oba. What si wo dan wo e bia ahudwo no. No benya adwuma e bia watafo. Endi wo ba
na wo free ahudwo mra.
She obe kesi kan kwa ne petro ba
so
enu ya chance so kwa
hadan asante wo wa mi busu asem wo wa just dan o kote ma wa ka wo be
say we fiewura tate na da so nko ba
asante jaja ya papa no ya lumba se ya papa no ko to se ayi ebi mu e plus ase wo kumase no
ene na zi on be ka kire
share
but Paralympics no
asante amanfo breo
empenfo be se enya probe mo somati
omo
nya Ghana team no mo koye no yesi enya hwehwe
o de me se ne me se asante o de ya ka sema na wase no
system no se de sia
ya di Africa
ya se bo mama omo de ti dan zo o
na way
asante ya ka dan wase Paralympics
o member ya wo rent event say
rent control for
landlords association community bia
na landlord association no omo ye cartel omo check cocaine the say landlord association for no Ricardo omo check cocaine
omo de
omo nya hiyo say agent for no
omo kra na say asem no sika na de be hand dan no
wa get 10% na dan kai say
we dey agent for no o ti sika
enu ti he ke ye ko election say no na mabunu no youth no man make a statement say mo ba ban a obeba mo policy on rent, policy on land. Na I know mama because emabru ne how me say mem e man kwa do many problem.
Omo de.
Una ko wa no na betra de. E memma wo Ghana ha young men. They were worried 30. So about 28, 27 I could find out. Ne papa kakra ofie.
Yes sir.
Ana obano otiasemase. 35 years. Oba wari awie no. Etubo sa oba ko pension no. Na wutia nyame yadom na nanado de SHS abawo. Empapafo bebre ko pension omutia SHS fees. Nanado na aboa.
Baloje ne mabnu no so no ye pasem surasem kind of people.
We are not we are not putting our people to accountability. Mabruno, we are not putting our politicians to account. You Kenya for Kenya Omukakra. And yet, say we are looting on the But Ghana Mabruno should start demanding accountability.
Young
boy, and now baby, I dine walk around a down 700 a month. Chamber in
Accra, singing room, 1,000, 5,000.
Can you imagine? That our brother near Bebo. Okay, there are no incentives. I free buying whole free baby a hoba. Obi system or ye chuma. Gaddafi a mu free ablo chebe pamo. O si adanku ho Libya. Unya 18 years I know to come. And so abro foot me be kuno. Na Africa e Ghana na ye support kwasasem. Already we are mobile. Let's get
ready to. My name is Kwesinya